Updated 2024 Honda Africa Twin touches down in America. Honda Africa Twin fans, if you've been waiting anxiously for the 2024 lineup to come to America, you can now officially breathe a sigh of relief. We're happy to announce that your wait is now over. Does American Honda want you to be its Valentine? We can't say for sure. What we can tell you is that February 13th, 2024 is the date that Team Red chose to officially announce the updated 2024 Africa Twin lineup. For the American market, coincidence, roses are red. Honda Africa Twins are frequently red and blue. Can they go on an adventure with you? The 2024 Africa Twin updates were announced in October 2023 in Europe. Happily, the American bikes get the same substantive updates as their European counterparts. You'll find a slightly torque-wire, updated version of the 1084cc parallel twin that many riders have already come to know and love. Both the 2024 Africa Twin and the 2024 Africa Twin Adventure Sports East come with your choice of a standard 6-speed manual gearbox or Honda's dual-clutch transmission. The standard Africa Twin gets a standard Showa suspension with 8 inches of front wheel travel and 8.7 inches of rear wheel travel. Meanwhile, the Adventure Sports East gets the Showa suspension with EERA, regardless of whether you choose the standard or DCT options. Switchable ABS. A pair of 4-piston calipers with 310mm front brake discs and a single 1-piston rear caliper with a 256mm brake disc are standard on all 2024 Africa Twin variants. The 2024 AT gets a 21-inch front and an 18-inch rear wheel, while the more road-biased Adventure Sports East gets a 19-inch front and an 18-inch rear wheel. As we noted at the beginning, this may all sound quite familiar if you kept up with the 2024 European market release, colors, and availability. Where the American release of the 2024 Africa Twin lineup differs slightly is in colors, pricing, and availability. In the US, the 2024 Africa Twin comes in Grand Prix Red. Choose the 2024 Africa Twin Adventure Sports East instead, and your color choice is Pearl White. The European market bikes also get an additional matte ballistic black metallic colorway that is not listed as a US market color.